Here we have cute, precious Piper, and she's in her spa while it was under construction. Yeah, this shows that she made use of her spa even before it was totally finished. Look at this. She's giving herself a full bath. Yeah, you are. She cleans herself, she relaxes in there, everything. So she just figured she might as well make a spa out of it. Look at that. How beautiful is that? Yeah, she knows how to keep herself looking clean. There's her face wash. Oh, I love that. Yeah, keep that beautiful face looking good. And there she is cleaning her sweet little paws. Oh my goodness. That's just really sweet. And she does all this before the spa was even officially finished. That's just what's so amazing. Yeah, that shows she was made for this kind of a business. She doesn't even need all the bells and whistles. Yeah, under construction was fine for her.